Day in My Life vlog. Today, we are going to ABS-CBN to watch It's Showtime as Studio Live Audience.
Sasakay na kami ng guys, LRT. Tapos bababa kami ng North Avenue.
Our call time is on or before 8 a.m. We ride a tricycle right away. Almost there. Finally, we're here in front of the audience entrance at 7:20 a.m. This is the audience holding area. Canteen is also available here.
Baliktarin mo na lang. Sige po. Thank you po.
Short briefing for rules and regulations inside studio's premises. Foods and drinks are not allowed, so much better you eat first before going inside the studio.
Nakapasok siya.
I'm so excited. This is my first time to watch It's Showtime and to see a lot of artists. Make sure you wear thick clothes or jacket because it's cold inside the studio.
Host dyan. Oo.
Cute ng studio nila. Ang cute ng studio nila. Pang-Pasko na.
Ayun, may monoblocks pa doon. Ayun po, oh, may dalawa pa yata doon, kaya pa.
Rehearsal time before the show will be live on air.
Very good. Yan, ako nga pala si Donut, Madlang People, para ako yung makakasama niyo for this afternoon. So taas kamay, tapos wave lang po yun, kaliwat kanan lang. Ha? Dalawang kamay po, tapos yung masaya naman na wave, Madlang People. Yung masaya po, hindi pang prayer meeting na gagawin natin, Madlang People. Linggo pa yon. Okay, taas kamay, tapos sabay niyo nakatalang, pop, pop. Yan. Gusto parang choir yung ginagawa. Yung ano na, di ba yung masaya yung pop, pop, pop. Go! 1, 2, 3, go! Nakasan niyo ba na dito? Yan. O, tingin mo may soprano dun na isa yun. Taas ang boss. Sir Teddy Corpus! Sir Jude Sugueta, Madlang People!
Good morning po!
Merry Christmas!
Hello po, nanay! Malalaglag ako. Check. Good morning. Let's pray, sir. Ginagawa niyo ba yan sa Christmas tree niyo nung araw?
Sir Warren of I Love Cut Encarnacion Group of Salon. Ganda for all. Spotless white glow every day with Amira Advanced Skin Whitening Set. Your spotless journey begins now. Available in all leading drugstores nationwide. Joshua's Meat Products. Hahanap-hanap stick with a smiley. Regent Big Mouth Cornix. Made from 100% real corn in original garlic and sweet corn flavor.
Studio staffs are busy getting ready for the next backdrop of the show.
May tayong numbers. Wait lang. Tatapakan niya.
They handed out scorecards for the Talent Select segment.
Manda people, may mga number na pong hawak. Yan, okay. So may numbers po yan ha, number 1 to 10. So kanina sinabi ko na sa inyo ba, huwag na tayo magbigay ng 6 pababa ha. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10. Dahil mataas na yan. Okay. Tapos manda people, pag tinanong po ng mga host, mamaya
Beanie Maloy. During commercial gap, we are allowed to use our phones.
Dito ka na sa palista na walang abala. Borrow load na sa GCash, pwedeng bayaran ang hinir.
Junat.
yeah,
Junat na walang asukal.
Hello po, madlang people. Hello po.
Okay, so yan po yung ano natin kasi 4 yung contestants natin ngayon ng mga weekly finalists ng TNT. So support natin sila guys kasi hindi naman sila nakapagdala ng mga audience sila. Tayo na lang, okay? So 1, 2, 3.
Sabi niya, susuka. Ano ba ito sabi? Nung inulit niya, sabi ko, o dapat o. Sabi niya, susuko. Susuko dapat. Hindi susuko.
Kasi ano ibig sabihin na kung susuko?
Ha? Yung dede niya na yung kinakain. Uy! Mga bata! Dede na susuka. Mga bata o! Stream pati Sultan Kudaras na stream. Happy birthday sa ating cameraman na si Nolan Salini.
The show was successfully done. What a great experience!
Let's pray. Ay, ayan yung mga nagkalagulat.
Bye-bye showtime. Uwi na.
Ilang kayo?
Uy, ikaw naman sabi niya, ano yun? Sinabi enter, sabi ko.
Entrepreneur.
Hindi, sabi ko, parang lahat na lang sa'yo, Pogi. Sabi ko, yan, kaya pinili ko itong upuan na to para mas
Oo, may ganap na ganap.
Bakit? Kasi pag nasa kita ka, upuan ng mga
hindi
guest sa
naman
gilid.
nakakatuwa na may bagong friend, di ba? Hi, friend!
Sa ano ka na magpaliwanag?
Sabi ko, ano yung enter? Ha?
Kasi rabbit. Mag-enjoy kayo dyan at good luck sa trabaho niyo today.